Okay, we're going to check out the Spartan helmet. Look at it. It looks so good. I guess with all these trees around it, it kind of looks funny, but it does look good. We're going to put it over here on my work table. It's already nice and cool. It almost looks like velvet. Don't you think? All the detail. You want to crack it? There's our helmet. See the detail? Looks like it's been beat up a little bit, which a Spartan helmet should look like it's been beat up a little bit. And flowers on the back. And it should set just like that. And then it'll have a side plates to it. And the mohawk piece will go up here once it's